welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Friday, September 5, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hey Alex, how's it going today?
Hey David, I'm doing okay, thanks. How about you?
Not bad. Just need this coffee to kickstart my brain. It's been a long week.
I feel you. Coffee is my lifesaver every morning.
Huh? Same here. Without it, I'm just a zombie at my desk.
I know that feeling. So what's new with you?
Oh, I heard some big news about a trade deal in Europe. Did you see it?
Yes, I read something about it. They're making trade easier between countries.
That's pretty cool. I think it might help my sales a lot.
It could for sure. More trade means more products and opportunities.
Yeah, I hope I can get some new clients from this. More business, more money.
That's the idea. It's good for the economy if it works well.
True. But I just hope prices stay low. My clients complain when things get expensive.
I get that. It's all about finding the right balance for everyone.
Exactly. If prices go up, I'm in trouble with my sales targets.
Let's hope it's a win for all. Trade deals can be tricky sometimes.
Yeah, fingers crossed. Hey, did you hear about something else in the news?
What's that? I'm always curious about new stuff.
There's this new app for work called Team Sync. It's for chatting and sharing files.
Oh, that sounds helpful. Do you know much about it?
Just a little. They say it makes teamwork super easy.
That's great. We need tools like that for our projects.
Yeah, no more losing files and emails. I hate searching for stuff all day.
Me too. A good app can save so much time and stress.
For sure. I'm thinking of trying it out with my sales team.
Good idea. I might suggest it to my project group as well.
Let's see if it's as good as they say. I'm tired of tech that doesn't work.
Haha, I know, right? Some apps promise a lot but don't deliver.
Exactly. If it's bad, I'm sticking to my old ways.
Fair enough. But new tech can really change how we work.
True. Hey, speaking of change, did you hear about a new movie coming out?
No, what movie? Tell me more.
It's called Office Chaos. It's a comedy about crazy office life.
Haha, that sounds funny. When is it coming out?
In a few weeks, I think. I'm already excited to see it.
Me too. Does it look like it's based on a real office?
Haha, probably. I bet they show messy desks and bad coffee.
Oh, that's definitely like our office. I can relate already.
Same here. I'm sure they'll have a guy like me, always late for meetings.
And maybe a manager like me, trying to fix all the chaos.
You got it. It's going to be like watching our daily life.
I think so. It's nice to have something fun to look forward to.
Yeah, work can be so boring sometimes. A good laugh helps.
For sure. Movies like that make me forget about deadlines for a bit.
Totally. I might even take my team to see it for a fun day out.
That's a great plan. Team outings are always good for morale.
Yeah, we need that. Hey, speaking of teams, how's your project going?
It's okay, just very busy. I have a big update to prepare today.
I hear you. I've got a huge sales call in like 20 minutes.
Oh, good luck with that. I'm sure you'll do great.
Thanks. I just need to sound confident, even if I'm nervous.
You always sound confident. You've got this.
Huh? I try. How about your update? Is it a tough one?
A little? I need to explain some delays to the team.
Ouch, that's never fun. But you're good at explaining stuff.
Thanks, I hope they understand. Delays happen sometimes.
They will. Just keep it simple, and they'll be fine.
I'll try. Hey, do you have any other big plans for today?
Just more calls and emails? The usual sales grind.
Same here, lots of meetings. My calendar is full.
Oh, I hate full calendars. No time to breathe.
I know, right? But it's part of the job.
Yeah, can't escape it. Hey, let's chat more at lunch if you're free.
Sounds good. I'll let you know if I can make it.
Cool, no pressure. Just need a break from my computer screen.
Haha, me too. Staring at screens all day is tiring.
Tell me about it. My eyes hurt by 5 o'clock.
Same. Maybe we need those fancy blue light glasses.
Haha, maybe. I'll look like a nerd, but it might help.
It's worth a try. Anything to make work easier?
For sure. Oh, I better get going. My call is soon.
Yeah, I need to start preparing too. Let's not be late.
I'm always cutting it close. Good luck with your update.
Thanks, David. Good luck with your call, too.
Appreciate it. See you later, okay?
Definitely. Have a good day, David.
You too, Alex. Catch you soon.
Take care.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.